are ingesting millions and millions and millions of bits of data every moment of the day, and it's just pouring in. We have a problem with understanding how to structure it and store it. And we cannot extract information out of data if it's not properly structured and stored. Our business intelligence and database development program, certificate program, is kind of an exciting look at the nature of how people get their report data and how you build a underlying infrastructure to get that report data. This particular certificate program is really focused on database professionals, analytic professionals that want to know more about the underlying infrastructure that drives a business intelligence solution. Seattle is definitely the place where we see most of our students coming from, and that's where most of our students are actually getting jobs because, of course, Seattle is a tech hub. But we also have students from across the world, across the country, and the material that we're going through, the knowledge that we're imparting on our students is worldwide. It's not locational, it's not regional. It's things that can be applied throughout the world, throughout your life cycle of your career. When you complete the certificate program, what you're going to find is that you have a very deep understanding of what goes on behind the scenes, what is happening to create the portals that you see, the reporting structures that you see. You'll have the ability to contribute to the architecture, to the implementation. You'll have developed experience on how to go through these complex process to create the underlying infrastructure that's necessary to get quality reports in the department level or the enterprise level. And the techniques that we focus on are not specifically a part of any particular technology. It's the more universal approach to what you need to know to provide a basic structure that your company or department can build upon.